Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to pimp out your Echo Dot 2nd generation. Now, this little thing by itself, it's pretty cool. You got some basic sound on there. You can listen to music, you got your voice commands, but it's basic. It doesn't do a lot. So how do we pimp this out and make this thing incredible? Well, sometimes all you gotta do is just snap your fingers and voila. Your Echo Dot has been transformed, pimped out into an incredible 360 wireless, true wireless speaker. That's right. With this adapter, all you do is just plug in your Echo Dot. Check this out. My Echo Dot just sits in here, and there's an adapter in the back that it plugs into. And guess what? Now, your Echo Dot does so much more than before. So one, it's a true wireless 360 speaker. So what does that mean? Better surround sound, better sound in general in your room. And also it now has a built-in battery. So this thing has a 5200 milliamp battery that is just nerd talk for basically an 8-hour battery. So now you can take your Echo Dot outside, you can pair it with your phone, you can also plug it up via auxiliary. At the bottom there is an auxiliary port where you can plug in your own device, so either go Bluetooth or plug in a device directly, and now you've got a 360 true wireless experience. So you got better audio now, so much louder, so much clearer. And guess what? If you're still in the house and you're within range of your wireless network, you have all your favorite things you can do with your normal Echo Dot. So you can still ask it to play music, skip songs, call this person, set timers, all that stuff. So this just takes your Echo Dot to the next level for a very reasonable price. So this adapter does run around $49, and obviously it has to work in conjunction with an Echo Dot 2nd generation and up. So all you do is just plug it in, turn the wheel. Down here we do have our power button. You're gonna hold it to turn it off, hold it 1 second to turn it on. If you're on the blue, it means you're on the Echo setting. So if you say Alexa or the command, it will listen and do whatever you say. If you switch it to green, you are switching to the auxiliary function. So whatever you plug in directly, you can use that sound. So this is it, guys. This is an amazing device. I have been testing it out. I literally have this set up in my workout room, and I literally go down there and I just say, Alexa, you know, pair Bluetooth. It connects to my Galaxy S9, and I'm able to play music right out of it. And the music is, I swear, it's like more than double the sound I used to get with just the Echo Dot there. So I really encourage you to check out this device. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to check one out. But I've been looking for a really good Bluetooth speaker, and what's crazy is if you were to Google a Bluetooth speaker that also has smart capabilities, or you know, virtual assistant with Echo, with Alexa or any of the other services, they're expensive. You're gonna pay, you know, $100 and up. So for only $50, you basically just transform your Echo Dot. You get all the same connectivity, all the features in terms of Alexa and what she can do, and you got better sound, and now you have a portable speaker that you can take in different parts of the house to get that, you know, great sound, or you can take it outside with you and, you know, take it for an event. So check out that link, guys. Do me a favor, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this device, if you think it's cool. And by the way, we're gonna do a giveaway on one of these. That's right. So keep an eye out for a post on our Instagram. That's right, at H2 Tech Videos. We're gonna do a giveaway and give you a chance to win one of these guys, because this thing is so cool. We gotta share one with one of you lucky viewers out there. So leave me a comment below, let me know what you think about it, and keep an eye out for that giveaway. It's coming real soon. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and again, follow us on Instagram because giveaways are coming. Have a good one.